Your phone is ringing. It's the driver, and he says, "Where are you exactly?" And you freeze. You know the address, but in your language, you look around. You see a pharmacy, a big blue sign, some stairs, but the words just don't come.
Or this one. You get in the car, you say hi, the driver starts moving, and then you realize this is not your Uber. Wrong name, wrong car. You just got into a stranger's vehicle.
Or you arrive, you pay, and then you see the charge on your bank app. It's double. The driver is gone. The car is gone. Your money is gone. And you have no receipt.
These situations happen to everyone. And if you're learning English, they feel 10 times worse.
Today, we fix this step by step. Every phrase you need, from booking to the receipt.
Welcome back, guys. I'm Jason.
And I'm Sophia. Quick reminder, if this lesson helps you, hit like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. Okay, let's go.
Step 1. Before you even open the door. Let's talk about what happens before you book.
You have two situations. Situation A, you're using an app. Uber, Bolt, Lyft. You type in the address, you tap confirm, and you wait. Simple. The app does most of the work.
But even with the app, sometimes you need to call the driver, or the driver calls you, and that's when you need real English.
Situation B, classic taxi. You see a yellow car at the airport or a taxi stand on the street. You walk up and talk to a real human immediately.
So what do you say? Here are 3 phrases that cover both situations. Say them with us. Booking phrases. I need a taxi, please. 3 words. Super simple. Works everywhere. Could you pick me up at the airport, Terminal 2? For calling a taxi company. What's the pickup point? The dispatcher might ask you this. Pickup point, where do you want the car to come?
Pickup point. Remember this phrase. We'll use it a lot today. And speaking of pickup, let's talk about the moment most people stress about the most.
Step 2. Making sure the driver actually finds you.
This is the #1 problem for English learners in taxis. Not grammar, not vocabulary, just where are you? The driver is circling the block. You're standing outside. You can see each other, but somehow you can't connect.
So let's fix this right now. A few short phrases, and you'll sound clear and confident. Ready? Say them out loud with us. I'm at the main entrance, the big front door of the building. I'm outside the hotel, not inside, not in the lobby, right there on the street. I'm next to the pharmacy. Use any landmark you see, a cafe, a big sign, a bus stop.
And here's a small trick that works every single time. Tell the driver what you look like. I'm wearing a red jacket. Or blue, or yellow, whatever you have on.
Now, the driver calls and says something fast. You didn't catch it. This happens even to people with good English. Don't freeze. You have rescue phrases. These are the sentences that save you when nothing else works. Rescue phrases for the phone call. Sorry, could you repeat that? Could you speak more slowly, please? Sorry, my English is simple. Honest and disarming. Drivers appreciate it. I'll send you my location, then share it via WhatsApp or the app chat. Check the app, please. Ask the driver to look at the GPS pin in Uber or Bolt.
And 2 more, for when you simply can't see the car yet. I can't see the car. Where are you right now?
Short, clear. The driver wants to find you just as much as you want to be found. Okay, the car is here. You walk over. But before you get in, step 3. One very important check.
Step 3, getting in safely. This one is quick, but please don't skip it. Always confirm before you get in the car. especially at night, especially at airports where 50 cars look exactly the same.
It takes 5 seconds. 3 things to check: the name, the car, and the destination. Here's how you do it. Confirmation phrases. Are you David? Check the name from your app. Wait for yes. Is this for Sophia? The driver might ask you first. If yes, great. If no, step back. Could you confirm the destination? Ask them to check the address in the app. My drop-off is the city center, or the street name, or the hotel name.
Drop off. New word, important word. Drop off is where the journey ends, where the driver drops you off, leaves you. Think of that like a package. You pick it up somewhere, you drop it off somewhere else.
So, pickup is where you start. Drop-off is where you finish. 2 words, 2 ends of the journey. Easy.
You're confirmed, you're in, seatbelt on. Step 4, now we're moving.
Step 4. What to say when you're already in the car and something needs to change. Sometimes the GPS picks a weird route. Sometimes there's construction. Sometimes there's a big event in the city and the roads are completely stuck.
You don't have to just sit there, you can say something. These phrases are short and polite. Any driver will understand them. Let's start with the route. Could we take a different route? You want to suggest another road? Can we avoid the traffic? Avoid. Go around, not through. Is there a traffic jam ahead? Traffic jam. Cars not moving, everyone standing still.
And for small requests while you're on the road, please go straight. Turn left. Turn right. Could you stop here for a second? Maybe you need to grab something from a shop. Please slow down. Completely okay to say, be calm, be polite. A good driver will respect it.
Short requests. Polite tone. You're almost there, and when you arrive, step 5, the money part.
Step 5, payment. Some people feel awkward about this part, but honestly, it's just a handful of phrases. Learn them once, and you'll never stress about it again.
Let's start with one key word, fare. The fare is the price of the ride, how much you pay to get from A to B. In ride-hailing apps, you usually see it before you book, but with classic taxis, or if there are extra charges, it's smart to ask. How much is the fare? Direct, clear, totally normal to ask. Is it cash or card? Check before you arrive so there are no surprises. Can I pay by card? If you don't have cash. Do you take cash? If you don't have your card.
Now, tipping. A tip is a little extra money as a thank you for the driver. Not always required. In some countries, it's normal, in others, not. But if you want to leave one, here's what to say. Keep the change. You paid more, the difference is the tip. Simple and confident.
Can I add a tip in the app?
Most ride-hailing apps have this option after the ride.
And if something feels off about the price, don't just pay and feel bad. Say it. That's fine, if the price is okay. That's too much, if it's not.
You've paid, you're out. But sometimes you're still not completely done. Step 6, receipts and problems.
Step 6, the receipt. This is a word many learners forget until they actually need it. A receipt is proof of payment, a document, paper or digital, that shows what you paid, when, and where. You might need it for work, for a refund, or just for your records.
In most apps, the receipt goes to your email automatically. But with a classic taxi, you have to ask, and it's just one sentence. Could I get a receipt, please? Polite and clear. That's all you need.
Now, problems, because sometimes things go wrong. And when they do, you need to stay calm and say exactly the right thing. Here's your toolkit. I think I was charged twice. Charged, money was taken from your account. Report in the app. This is not the price in the app. Stay calm, show your screen, say this phrase. I left my phone in the car. I left my bag in the car. Could you help me, please? Use with any support person. Desk, concierge, hotline.
And one rescue phrase for any moment when you need a second to breathe and think.
Please wait 1 minute. It buys you time. Check your phone, find the right words.
All right, you've got all the tools. Now let's put it all together. Step 7, 3 real mini dialogues.
Step 7. Real conversations. 3 short scenes. Each one has a problem and a solution.
Scene 1. You've booked a ride. Your phone rings. It's the driver. He's nearby but can't see you. You're standing outside a shopping center. This is a phone call, no screens, no maps, just your voice. Let's go.
Hello? I'm here. I don't see you.
Hi, I'm at the main entrance. Big glass doors. I'm wearing a blue jacket.
Main entrance? Okay, I'm coming. 1 minute.
Okay, I'll stay here. What color is your car?
White Toyota.
Got it. I see you now. I'm waving.
Yes, I see you. Coming. Simple and real. Landmarks, colors, and I'll stay here. One small sentence that tells the driver you're not moving. And waving always works in every language.
Scene 2. You're already in the taxi. The GPS is taking you through the city center, but you can see traffic is building up. There's a festival today. You decide to say something. Excuse me, is there a traffic jam ahead?
Yes, city center is very busy. Festival today.
Can we take a different route? Maybe avoid the center?
Yes, I know another way. A little longer, but faster.
That's fine, thank you. Excuse me, could you stop here for a second? I need to grab something quickly.
Here? Okay, 2 minutes.
Thank you. Okay, I'm back. My drop-off is just ahead, the blue building on the right.
Got it. One idea per sentence. You weren't complicated, you weren't rude, you just said what you needed. And did you notice the driver explained himself? In real life, they often do. You just need to understand and say, that's fine.
Scene 3. You've arrived. Classic taxi. Cash payment. The driver tells you the fare, you pay, and then you remember you need a receipt for work. And then, one more thing.
Okay, we're here. $14.
Here you go. Keep the change.
Thank you.
Could I get a receipt, please?
Receipt? Yes, 1 second.
Thank you. Actually, sorry, my bag. I left my bag on the seat.
Oh, here it is.
Thank you so much. Have a good day.
Clean, natural, no drama. Keep the change sounds confident even with basic English. And the receipt question came right after paying. Totally normal. Drivers hear it all the time.
And that's a wrap. Let's go through what you covered today. 5 things you can now actually do in English. 1. How to book. I need a taxi, please. Could you pick me up at...
2. How to explain your pickup point. Use landmarks. I'm outside the hotel next to the pharmacy. Describe yourself. I'm wearing a red jacket.
3. How to confirm the ride safely. Are you David? My drop-off is...
4. How to talk about route and traffic. Can we avoid the traffic jam? Please, go straight.
5. How to pay and get your receipt. How much is the fare? Keep the change. Could I get a receipt, please?
And remember, if anything goes wrong, stay calm, use your rescue phrases, and be honest. My English is simple is not a weakness. It's communication. It works.
Quick question for you in the comments. Where do you usually take taxis? Airport, city trips, work travel?
And what part felt hardest before today? Pickup? Payment? The route? Tell us below. We read every comment.
If this helped you, please hit like. 1 second means a lot. And subscribe so you don't miss the next one.
See you in the next lesson. Safe travels, everyone.
Bye!